Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. It is such a gloomy day outside and it says there's a high chance of rain, which if you know me, I love a good rainy day. I feel like that is when I am my truest self. Today I want to incorporate a lot of cozy activities, maybe something crafty, and I also want to bake something today. I feel like rainy weather and baking just go hand in hand. So it's gonna be a cozy video just like always. Go ahead and grab a blanket, something cozy, and let's go ahead and jump into the vlog. Yo, that banana bread already smells so good. I cannot wait until it's ready. I know it's gonna be really tasty. It was just so nice like watching a comfort movie and baking and just enjoying the day. While the banana bread bakes, I want to do something crafty. And I was scrolling on Pinterest earlier and I saw these tea bag bookmarks and I thought they were so cute. I've got some felt and I have tons of scrap lace from estate sales, garage sales. I think it would be really cute to put the lace as the string. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my bookmark while the banana bread bakes. Guys, look how cute it turned out. I'm not done with it yet. I think I want to embroider something in the middle, maybe like a teddy bear or like a heart, just something simple. I love the way this turned out. I think it's really cute and I cannot wait to use it whenever I start my next book. I need to run out and do some errands, so whenever I get back, I will finish our little tea bag bookmark. This is your sign to try something you haven't done before because I love the way this turned out. I want to make like 10 more now.